Hello students, let's start with the next chapter. That's a new chapter, locomotion and movement. The locomotion and movement. Animals which they can able to move from one place to another place. But in the case of plants, the plants cannot able to move from one place to another place. Such a movement, when we have that voluntary movement from one place to another place, such a voluntary movement is called the locomotion. You can see here in the picture, the person is showing the movement, that is voluntary movement. Voluntary is willing. The person want to move from one place to another place. Such a voluntary movements which is exhibited by this person. So this movement, such a movement, that is voluntary movement. We are willing to show the movement. We are willing to move from one place to another place. Such a voluntary movements is called the locomotion. To exhibit the locomotion, our body, which is consists of the muscles. These muscles will show the movement. Let's see in our body what type of or the types of muscles which they are present and what type of muscles which are present in our body and where they are present. That's we will see in the next topic. That is muscles. Because the locomotion, which is a voluntary movement, is related to the muscles which are present in our body. So only we will discuss about what are the types of muscles in our body. First of all, what is the muscle? So here, muscle, which is a specialized tissue. So why it is called as a specialized tissue? Because the muscle will have a special properties. The special properties are excitability, contractibility, extensibility and elasticity. So because of these special properties which it can be shown in the muscle is called as a specialized tissue. So only our body can have the movements with various extension. Body movements ಹೇಗಂದ್ರೆ ಹಾಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೋದು. Gymnastic, you have seen that gymnastic way. You have seen that circus. In the gymnastic and circus, the body will show the different types of, in a various angles, the body will show the movements. Because in our body, we have a specialized tissue called muscle and it is having a special properties. So only we can able to show the gymnastics and also here we can see the people who are showing the movements in the circus. Let's see the types of the muscles. When we see the types of the muscles, there are three types of muscles. The three types of muscles are, the first one is a skeletal muscles, second one is smooth muscles and the third one is cardiac muscles. When we see this, the skeletal muscles, smooth muscles and cardiac muscles. Skeletal muscles is also called as striated muscles. So here it is called striated muscles. Smooth muscles are called non-striated muscles. Striated muscles andre, in the muscles striations will be there. If we consider the muscles like this, the striations will be present in the muscle So only it is called as a striated muscles. It is associated with the skeleton. ಸ್ಕೆಲಿಟನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಕೆಲಿಟನ್ಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ಕೆಲಿಟಲ್ ಮಸಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್, ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ skeletal muscles. In the skeletal muscle, you can see striations are there. You can observe that lines, what you can see the lines, they are called striations. So these striations are present in the skeletal muscles. So only it is called as a striated muscles. You can see the striations here, and this is associated with the skeleton. You can see this is the bone. This is a bone. Bone ge attach agide muscles. This is the muscles which are present. It is present associated with the muscles. I mean skeleton. The muscles is associated with the skeleton. It is present attached to the skeleton. So this is the muscles. So it is called as a skeletal muscles. When we see the smooth muscles, and the smooth muscles which we can see here, they have a tapering ends. Cylindrical shape iralla, ends alli tapering, ಈ ಥರ tapering ends ಇರುತ್ತೆ. But you see here, the skeletal muscles have a cylindrical shape. So here the cylindrical shape of the skeletal muscles. But you can see here, there is no cylindrical shape. They are tapering ends. Ends ಹೀಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. That's the smooth muscles which are present. But you see here, in the smooth muscles, this is called smooth muscles because striations are not present. I mean striations are absent. No striations. You can see here, striations are absent. So only it is called as a smooth muscles. And here, this smooth muscles, so where they are present, these smooth muscles which are present in the internal body organs like stomach, here intestine, here it is a liver, all these parts which are consist of the smooth muscles. And moreover, these smooth muscles are involuntary in function. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಮಸಲ್ಸ್ದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನನ್ನು ವಿ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್, ವಿ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. ಮಸಲ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ನು ಇನ್ವಾಲಂಟ್ರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ವಿ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್, ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್. ಸ್ಮೂತ್ ಮಸಲ್ಸ್. But in the case of skeletal muscles, the function is voluntary in function. That means ಮಸಲ್ದು ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ನ ನಾವು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೆಗ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ನ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಲೆಗ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ನ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ದ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವಾಲಂಟರಿ ಇನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, that is a cardiac muscle. The cardiac muscle is a special type of muscle present only in the heart. ಹಾರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕಾರ್ಡಿಯಾಕ್ ಮಸಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಯೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ಕೆಲಿಟಲ್ ಮಸಲ್ಸ್. ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಯೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಸಿಲಿಂಡ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಶೇಪು, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಸಪ್ರೇಟಾಗಿ ಮಸಲ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ the joint of that muscles, it is like a branched joint ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. these look like a both characters. ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಯೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸಿಲಿಂಡ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಸ್ಕೆಲಿಟಲ್ ಮಸಲ್ಸ್, ಬಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ involuntary in function. So why it is involuntary in function? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಅ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್. ಹಾರ್ಟು ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಪಂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಪಂಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ವಾಲಂಟರಿ ಇನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಸ್ಮೂತ್ ಮಸಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಹಸ್ ಶೇರ್ಡ್ ದ ಬೋತ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಸ್ಕೆಲಿಟಲ್ ಮಸಲ್ಸು ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಮೂತ್ ಮಸಲ್ಸ್ದು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ನ it will be having a both characters. That means it has shade like. So here the next let's we see the muscle character, muscle structure. What is this muscle? So here whether it is a skeletal muscle, whether it is a smooth muscle, whether it is a cardiac muscle, what is the structure of the muscle? Especially when we see the structure of the skeletal muscle, here each muscle consists of muscle fibers. Let's see the muscle structure. This exactly show the skeletal muscle structure. Here this is a skeletal muscle because it is associated with the skeleton, bone ಜೊತೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನು skeletal muscle ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. So this is called biceps. So here you can see that muscles which are present in the hand. ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಮಸಲ್ಸ್ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಇದು ಮಸಲ್ಸು ಈ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಮಸಲ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋ ಈ ಬಂಡಲ್ಸ್ನ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬಂಡಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಸಲ್ ಫೈಬರ್ಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಥರ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಮಸಲ್ ಬಂಡಲ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಬಂಡಲಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಸಲ್ ಫೈಬರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಬಂಡಲ್ಲು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಂಡಲ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮಸಲ್ ಬಂಡಲ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದಟ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಸಲ್ ಬಂಡಲ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಮಸಲ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮೆನಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಸಲ್ ಬಂಡಲ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಈಚ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಮಸಲ್ ಬಂಡಲ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಈಚ್ ಮಸಲ್ ಬಂಡಲ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದ ಮಸಲ್ ಫೈಬರ್ಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಒನ್. ಅದು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋ ಒಂದು ಇದನ್ನು ಮಸಲ್ ಫೈಬರ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಮಸಲ್ ಫೈಬರ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಮಸಲ್ ಸೆಲ್. ಈಗ ಬಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಈ ಮಸಲ್ ಸೆಲ್ನ ಮಸಲ್ ಫೈಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸೆಲ್. ಮಸಲ್ ಫೈಬರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಸಲ್ದು ಸೆಲ್ಲು, ಮಸಲ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋ ಸೆಲ್ಲು. ಮಸಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಟಿಶ್ಯೂ ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಟಿಶ್ಯೂ ಅಂದರೆ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸು. ಸೊ ಆ ಸೆಲ್ಲನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? ಮಸಲ್ ಫೈಬರ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸೆಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಅ ಎಲಾಂಗೇಟೆಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರು. ಎಲಾಂಗೇಟೆಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಸಲ್ ಫೈಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. So now you can see here the skeletal muscle structure. So skeletal muscles ಒಳಗಡೆ bundle of muscles, that is a muscle bundles ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಒಂದೊಂದನ್ನು ಮಸಲ್ ಬಂಡಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಈಚ್ ಮಸಲ್ ಬಂಡಲ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಸಲ್ ಫೈಬರ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಸಲ್ ಫೈಬರ್. Inside the muscle fiber there is a myofibrils will be present. You can see the round structure. So these are myofibrils. So the muscle structure is having a muscle. In that muscle there are muscle bundles will be present. You can see this is the muscle. Muscle consists of muscle bundles. Each muscle bundle consists of muscle fiber. So this is the structure of muscle. So now muscle fiber structure. First of all, what is a muscle fiber? It is a muscle cell. ಮಸಲ್ದು ಒಂದು ಸೆಲ್ನ ಮಸಲ್ ಫೈಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಮಸಲ್ ಫೈಬರ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫೈಬರ್? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸೆಲ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ನಾವು ದಿಸ್ ಮಸಲ್ ಫೈಬರ್, ಆಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸೆಲ್. ಸೆಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೆಂಬ್ರೇನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಸೆಲ್ ಮೆಂಬ್ರೇನು. ಮಸಲ್ ಫೈಬರ್ದು ಸೆಲ್ನ ಸಾರ್ಕೋಲೆಮ್ಮ. ಮಸಲ್ ಫೈಬರ್ ಮೆಂಬ್ರೇನ್. ಮಸಲ್ ಫೈಬರ್ ಈಸ್ ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಎ ಮೆಂಬ್ರೇನ್ that is called sarcolemma. You can see that a thin transparent membrane. You can see here it is a thin membrane This membrane is of course cell membrane idu. The cell membrane in the sense muscle cell idu membrane idu. So that's why it is called as a sarcolemma. Inside the cell of course cytoplasm will be there. Cytoplasm irutte, that is called sarcoplasm antare. Sarcoplasm is nothing but sarcoplasm. In that sarcoplasm, I mean the cytoplasm, it is consists of, you can see here, mitochondria is there, nucleus is there. Like other cell, it is also having organelles. Organelles irutte. And other cell, that is a endoplasmic reticulum. All that will be present in that. The case of muscle fiber. So muscle fiber consists of membrane, the cell membrane called sarcolemma, and the cytoplasm of the muscle fiber is called sarcoplasm. And inside the sarcoplasm you can see the organelles, like a mitochondria is present and even nucleus is present. And other cell will have only one nucleus. Here it is a many nucleus, more than one. That's the speciality here. Muscle cell alli ಬೇರೆ cell compare ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ other cell will have only one nucleus, but here it is a more than one nucleus. And the muscle fiber, I already told that, consists of filaments called myofibrils. The myofibrils, muscles alliro fibrils na myofibrils anta karitare. You can see here the muscle fiber. This is the muscle fiber. Idu ondo muscle fiber, that is nothing but muscle cell. So now this muscle cell, which it is consists of, I already told, endoplasmic reticulum, that is a sarcoplasmic reticulum. Muscle ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ sarcoplasmic reticulum ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. And here you can see small rod like structures. These are nothing but myofibrils. So these myofibrils which are present in the muscle cell. So here this is the muscle fiber. Inside that muscle fiber you can see rod like structures, and these are nothing but myofibrils. That's the point here. The myofiber consists of the filaments called myofibrils. Let's see what are the myofibrils. Each myofibril has a light and dark band. You can see here, that's the point. Here you can see that the dark and light band. So here it is a dark band, here it is a light band. So this is a myofibril which consists of, you can see here also. So this is the dark band. This is a myofibril actually. So this is the light band. Again it is a dark band, it is a light band. So myofibril, so it consists of the dark band and light band. You can see here, this is a myofibril, and myofibril consists of, this band is dark band, and next is a light band alternatively, and here the next is you can see this is a dark band and this is the light band. That means the light band and dark band, which it is present alternatively. And here, in the sense what it is present, the myofibril has the dark band and light band. Dark band is called A band, that is an isotropic band. Light band is called I band. I band andre isotropic band. Dark band is called A band and light band is called I band, that is isotropic band, another name for that. I told dark band and light band, they are present or arranged alternatively. That means dark band will be there, then again light band, then again dark band. So that I already showed here. This is a dark band is called, the dark band is called A band and light band is called I band. You can see here this is a I band and this is a A band. It is present alternatively. A band, I band, then again A band, I band. The next is the myofibril, which it is having a dark band and light band, which it is made up of two proteins. This is a very important point here. So it is having the two proteins, that is called the two proteins actin and myosin. The actin protein and myosin protein which are present in the myofibrils. You can see here these are the two proteins which are present. This is a actin protein and this is a myosin protein. Here you can see, so the proteins which are present are myofibril proteins na actin protein and myosin protein. Next here, that's the thing. Here you can see the A dark band, so called A band. A band alli myosin protein irutte. Andre dark band alli the protein which is present is myosin protein, very important point. And the light band, that is I band, consists of actin protein. You can see here the arrangement. You can see here the A band, so called the dark band. So dark band alli enirutte myosin protein. This is the myosin protein. And you can see here the light band. So that is a I band. So here you can see the I band, which it is, okay, I make it, here it is consists of the actin protein. The light band is consists of actin protein. So dark band consists of myosin protein. Light band consists of the actin protein. So that's why it is alternative. One is a A band and another one is a I band. So now in the center of the I band, an elastic fiber is present. You can see here the I band. So this is the I band. You can see here the I band. You can see in the, just I show here, this is the I band. In the I band, this is the I band, right? So now in the I band center, there is a line called Z line is present. In every I band centrally ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನು Z line ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. So this is Z line, this is Z line. The distance between the two Z line, one Z line ಇಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು Z lineಗೆ ಸಾರ್ಕೋಮಿಯರ್. ಆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? ಸಾರ್ಕೋಮಿಯರ್. You can see here. See here, this is the I band and this is the I band, right? So this is the Z line which is present. The center of that I band, Z line is present. Here also it is a Z line. You can see here ಒಂದು Z line ಇಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು Z line ಗಿರೋ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ನ ಸಾರ್ಕೋಮಿಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. And in the case of the dark band, that is A band ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದು ಸೆಂಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನು M line ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. This is a M line. Very important point here is the sarcomere. What is the meaning of the sarcomere? It is a distance between two successive Z lines. Here you can see the two successive Z lines. ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸನ್ನ sarcomere ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. It's a very important point here, the view of examination point. So two bands are present, light bands and dark bands. The dark band is made up of the myosin protein and the light band is made up of actin protein. And in the center of the light band, that is a I band, Z line is present. Between the two successive Z line, the distance is called sarcomere. So that's the topic in the locomotion and movement. Let's continue in the next session of the video.